Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 14th, and we're going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the DXY monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that is the end of a wave C, and that this move down is actually going to turn into a pretty good sized downtrend, probably eventually looking something like that, probably taking out all these lows and making a big old downtrend, because that's what happens when you have the end of a wave C, no matter what time frame that ABC is on. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, and I like to switch back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, we have a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. I still think there's a good possibility this is a 1. This move up right here is kind of a strong move, but I still think it's a wave 2. Turned right at the 38.2. Nice little break of structure, then it almost instantly turned down. I believe this move down is going to be a trend, and I think is a very good likelihood we're in a wave 3 already. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've been looking at this move up for quite some time. I still think it's most likely an A, B, C, D, E, or possibly a motive wave correction. Either way, it still looks to me like that is the end of a correction and that this right here is a downtrend. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we did make a little bit of a bigger move up at some point, but I still don't see any reason to think that this move down is over yet, and I'm definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. We definitely don't have any break of structure up yet. All the higher time frames are down, so I'm still going to be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, our last end of our correction is right here, and that's also our last major swing high. This little section does kind of resemble a 1, 2, 3 to me, which does kind of make me think this move up is a wave 4, and we're probably going to go down at least one more time for a wave 5. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the trend that started right here. So I still don't think that we're done with the movement to the downside. I still expect to see at least one more push down to finish off this section of trend. And the fact that we're in a downtrend on pretty much all the other time frames tells me that it could very easily just keep on going down. Now, looking at a lot of the other dollar pairs, I actually think this move up right here is an A. This definitely looks to me like 3 waves down, like a wave B, and I think there's a good chance this move up right here is a wave C. If that is a wave C, when it ends, that's going to most likely be the end of a correction and another continuation of a downtrend, which would definitely make for some nice sorting opportunities on the dollar, or maybe trading some of these other dollar pairs. So that is my forecast on the DXY and the US dollar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link is on the screen and in the description. Thanks, and happy trading.